Hi dear everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here one circuit given here having a single loop and having two voltage sources. So one is 32 volts, another is minus 8 volts and connected to a two resistors. One is 4 ohms, another is 2 ohms. Now how to find the voltage drops across each resistor? So across 4 ohms, what is the voltage V1 and across 2 ohms, what is the voltage V2? This is the problem. When you observe carefully here the polarity is given for the resistors, plus minus plus minus. Actually in practical case there is no polarity for resistors. So this is not practical circuit in the real world circuit. It is just given one circuit and we are going to solve by using the KCL or KVL theorems. Okay. Here plus minus is there, plus minus is there. Generally resistors don't have polarity. Now let's see here. It have only one loop is there. Now current was passing from negative sign to plus sign, means from lower level to higher level. That means current will move in this direction. Now apply KVL. According to KVL, what is the KVL? Sum of all voltage drops in a loop is equal to 0. So here the voltage is 32. So minus is there because take the starting point, that is minus 32 plus next resistor is there 4I. Next the current was passing like this and entering here minus sign. So minus of minus plus, so plus 8 volts plus next 2I, that's equal to 0. So from this equation you will get current I. So minus 32 plus 8, nothing but minus 24 plus 6I equal to 0. So from this we will get 6I equal to 24. So current I equal to 24 by 6, nothing but 4 amperes. Now this is the current was passing through the loop, means this much current exists across 4 ohm resistance and in 2 ohm resistance. Now find the voltage drops across this. So due to this polarity sign which was not practically exist, the voltage drops will be differ. Let's see here. The voltage drop across 4 ohm resistor V1 equal to, generally according to Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR. So I was here 4 and resistance is 4, nothing but 16. But here take the voltage sign, means here we are taking minus the current entering point. So like this, in this component the current entering point is plus sign. So it have plus 16 volts. This is V1. Now similarly V2. So according to Ohm's law, V2 equal to I R2. So R2 is 2 ohms and current I is 4 amperes. It is equal to 8. But the current entering point is in this resistance is minus sign. So its value is minus 8 volts. So generally in practically the voltage drop across resistor is never be minus. But due to the given assumption in the polarity form for the given problem, we got minus 8 volts. So and this is the process of simplification for getting the voltage drops whenever the problem will be given like this. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.